What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm glad that you decided to take time out of your day to check out and see what I got to say so we can talk a little bit about reselling together. And what I want to share with you today is why it's important to be careful if you're thinking about going in deep on an item, buying a bunch of them, that you need to make sure you check the Keepa graphs, you need to make sure you do your research. I'm going to give you a small example of what I'm talking about. I was at the Dollar Tree the other day doing some sourcing, and I came across this video, The Night Shifter, a Shutter exclusive. And when I picked it up, I thought it'd be a pretty good deal. It was selling for $9.75. I was going to put $1 into it, and I was going to make $2.56. Okay, I listed this like a few days after I had sourced it, right? And this 79,000 was not the seller rank. So check this out. This is why it's important if you're going to buy a lot of something or go deep into something that you check the Keepa graphs. All right. So obviously I'm just in this for $1. I got it for the Dollar Tree. So check out this Keepa graph, right? At 79,000, this is 3 months. Okay. This is 3 months worth of sales. So all these down dips are sales. So in the past 3 months, this thing has sold around 3 times, 4 times, which is really bad. In the last month, it has sold twice. Okay, so why was it that I saw a lower seller rank when I bought this than I did when I went to list it? Well, I'll tell you why. If we check out the week and we go here to the 22nd, which is when I bought it, January 22nd, look at the sales rank. The sales rank is 62,000 right there and 24,000 right there. So it just so happened that when I was sourcing, I scanned it on the day somebody had just bought it, moving the sales rank up to 24,000. You know, you're in the Dollar Tree, I'm scanning, I'm just picking things up because they're only $1, right? Not a lot into it. 24,000, I would have picked that up, no problem. If it would have been what it is now at 79,000, I wouldn't have bought it. And I'll tell you why. 79,000 obviously doesn't sell a lot. We just looked at that. So you have to pay attention to sales rank by category. A good sales rank is not the same in every category. 79,000 in movies is not that good because, as you can see, 3 in the last 3 months. Down here's the 90-day average is 144,000. That's horrible. 365 days, so for the year it's 140,000. That's also horrible. I would leave this behind. However, if it was a 24,000 average seller rank, which I thought that it was, I would have picked it up. So here's the difference. The difference between a 79,000 seller rank that sells for, one a month or three every 3 months compared to what I thought it was, closer to 30,000 seller rank, is a big difference. So if you look at this video, I got a couple of these, 32,000. I'm going to spend $1 on it, make $4, and look at the difference. And a 30,000 rank in movies, all the down dips are all sales. Now there's some weird stuff going on here with the pricing, right? But I want you to look at the green, the down dips. So let's go to the month. So the month is selling 10 plus, right? So this is probably selling maybe 20 to 30 a month. Okay, all these down dips. On the flip side, 80,000 seller rank for the month, one dip, two dips, right? 80,000, 30,000. Okay. So if this would have been 30,000 in, say, books or health and beauty, then it would sell a lot faster. And conversely, if it was 80,000 in health and beauty, it would sell a lot faster than if it's 80,000 in movies. So you got to be careful. So you can imagine if I came across this item and say I paid $1 for it and I was going to make $2.50 on it and I could buy 100 of them. What I would want to do is if I was going to buy 100 of these or whatever item it happens to be, then I would look at the Keepa graph, right? Then I would make sure that I'm looking at it. I'm going to make sure that I'm checking the 3 months average. I'm going to make sure that I'm checking the 90-day average and make my decision based on that. If I had the opportunity to buy 100 of these items and I looked deeper into the Keepa Graph while I was at the store sourcing, I would have turned it down. But since I got caught on the day where it was 24,000 and I was only spending $2, I went ahead and picked it up. Thanks for stopping by and checking that out. I just wanted to remind you all to check the Keepa graphs if you're going in deep on something. You can check it on everything if you want. It takes a little bit of time, but especially if you're going to spend a lot on something or if you're going to buy a lot of something, do yourself a favor, check that Keepa graph. Keepa is a paid subscription, but it's totally worth it, right? If you're going to do any kind of serious selling, you're going to need to have that, because what you don't want is to spend $100 on an item like that and buy 100 of them and then find out you're only going to sell one a month and be stuck with them forever. You're going to end up paying more in storage fees. So again, I appreciate y'all coming. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, get the conversation started, and I'll catch you guys next time.